I was waiting a little earlier back in that parking lot to let the traffic spread out in front of me. It is earlier. It's about to be 11. Got out of work earlier, so I'm kind of showing you guys the way I like to take home. It's kind of a scenic route, but I get home in about the same amount of time, especially if you drive a little bit more spiritedly. This way home definitely has more corners. For me, I think this single lane is safer for me and more relaxed and safe in my opinion. You guys will see as we go on, the drive gets more beautiful and beautiful. Where like left foot braking would come into play and make driving way easier. I have the 2024 Civic Si. I am the first owner. I got it at 3 miles. These come stock from factory all seasons. I would like to see how she'll handle with some summer tires. I've owned her for a year. Sometimes you'll get stints of this where nobody's in front of you, and you can see that there are some winding roads, and this is for me a funner way home and to work. So you guys can see why I like taking this way home instead of jumping on a highway. That was a good little section right there, especially when it's free. Ooh wee! That felt great. Oh no, we're not getting this lucky, are we? Beautiful. Oh hell no. across a little bridge. Nice canopy, water, weather. Curvas. But that Turbski pulled me up the hilly. How beautiful. Yeah guys, that's pretty much it. From here it gets a little, just turns more into the regular traffic. But if any of you are like me, which I'm sure you are because you're watching, you'd love roads like that. You would love to take the back road instead of hopping on the highway. Get a little outside look real quick. Yeah, drive with gloves. I don't like the clammy, sweaty hands. Let's step outside. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that little drive with me. That was my drive home, taking the scenic route home. And if you enjoyed what you saw, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It does help a lot. And make sure to watch to the end of the video. If you know anybody who would be interested in these kinds of videos, share it with them. Let them check it out. I'm just showing you me and the Civic, little ride home. So again guys, if you like what you saw, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It's always a pleasure. Take care and peace out.